Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And I'm here today with, what's your name? So we're going to try page 20 and 21 in My First Piano Adventures, level A. Can you make your finger donut?
Yeah.
Put your finger donut on top of mine and I'll take you for a ride. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Ooh, your donut fell off. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle. Wait, I gotta go back to the beginning. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now you take your finger donut, and they want you to find the key on the piano that matches the red star key on the picture. So look for two black keys like this, and take your finger donut and play the red star key right here. And then you play it again. So you play 2 times on the red star.
Twinkle.
Like this. Twinkle. 2 on the same. And then we have to jump all the way up to the green star key and the 3 black keys right up here. And play the green star 2 times. And then step up to the yellow star. So step up to the yellow star. And then back down to the green star. Green star. And then step down to the orange right here. 2 times. And then 2 times on this blue star key right here. Purple. And then 1 red key off. And then back up to the green star. Right up here in the 3 black keys. Step down to orange. 2 times. And then 1 purple star. Good job. Back up to green. Looks like this. And 3 black keys. White. Another one. And step down to orange. Step down to orange. Diamond. And then step down to blue. Okay. Step down to blue, right down here. And step down to purple. That's right. Very good. And then back to the beginning. Red star.